Hi, Charles here. Well, the last big change to the van is coming. In 48 hours, there'll be a new window in there, and I told you about it, and the time is about here. Thanks for watching. Well, I just finished doing something. On the inside of where the window is going here, Susie, with a lot of effort, cut and glued this carpet inside, and oh, she's pulling in right now. I thought I would get this done before she came because it took a lot of time to get this all glued in here, and she did a beautiful job, but it all has to come out now because of the window that's coming in. And I thought it would help Red's design, cutting it out to just have this carpet out of the way. And let me move the camera. Let me show you what he's going to be doing.
I come home from visiting my granddaughters, and I find my husband pulling off my handiwork off the door, the inside door of the camper. I spent hours.
I really didn't plan this. I thought it's a pretty day. I just filled up the van with gas, and I'll just do a pretty day.
I think I'll rip off the carpet.
So as soon as I do it, I look at her. She's coming out the driveway. Want to tell them about putting it on there? You did the back first, though, didn't you?
Yeah.
You gained skills.
This was the last. Yeah. It wasn't that bad, but.
Yeah. But it did take some work, for sure.
It did.
Yeah.
But now we're going to have a window, and
yeah.
I'd rather have a window than carpet.
Yeah. Thanks for being a part.
Sure.
Honest, that really wasn't a reality TV show setup where they have fake confrontation. Susie really didn't care at all because we're both excited about the window. But I decided to go ahead and yank that carpet out just to help him when he's cutting out around the metal. Red's custom design in Tazewell, Indiana, right near English, Indiana. He'll be cutting this out along this indentation and then gluing in the window. And so the carpet really wouldn't have been in the way that much, but I thought let's just go ahead and yank it out of there. And so cutting it using the bonding and the gluing, and the cut metal will have this trim that is slotted, and it will fit all around the edges, and it finishes it off. And he will of course be grinding it and painting it as well. I'm interested to see how he does it. I've seen some people, I think they go crazy with holes. I've seen people put, like 100 little holes all around, and then they use a jigsaw and cut between them. To me, you are introducing a whole bunch of little cuts that's going to require more grinding as you smooth it off and then paint it to protect it against rust. I've even seen some use a hole saw and do one in the corner. To me, that's not so bad because it gives them a nice corner there. But one thing I've noticed is an awful lot of the DIYers like me, they cut it and they still end up having a strip to cut around the outside. And it can be tricky getting it just right. And so that's another reason why I just didn't want to do it. This door is going to be open and shut a million times. I know that glue will be strong. It'll cure. Most people say 3 to 4 hours. That's what Red said. If the weather's warm enough, 3 or 4 hours is plenty of time for you could even drive away. That just makes me uncomfortable. I looked on the Ford Transit USA Facebook page and asked people, and most people left it a minimum of 24 hours before they moved it, and quite a few of them did 48 or 72. So our plan now is, instead of going there and then camping a mile or two away, we're just going to drive both vehicles down, leave it there, and so this is Wednesday, this time in 48 hours, the window will be in. So we may hang out some and do a little more filming, and then we'll come home. And so my plan is, and it's going to be like 80 on Saturday, and I think Sunday it'll be a really nice day. So our plan is to go back either Sunday, I hope Sunday, or Monday, and pick it up. And I know by then it'll be rock solid in there, no problem at all. And I'm happy to pay a pro to do this one. This one just makes me a little nervous. These sidewalls the metal on these is not that thick. For some reason, it doesn't bother me cutting holes on the top because I know I can seal that really easily. And you can do it here too, but I just really want Red to take care of that for me. So again, it won't be a how-to, but I will show you some footage of what he does and then the final product. So we're excited about it. And I thought I'd just throw up this little short video today, and then I'll do a complete episode as we go down and have the install done. Should be the last big thing. Thanks for watching.